Cancer thrives in an acidic environment. It loves low oxygen, and it thrives on sugar. So, what does that mean for us? It makes perfect sense to focus on alkalizing the body, boosting oxygen levels, and cutting out sugar. If you're struggling with your health or battling cancer, it's crucial to take control of your diet. In this video, we're going to uncover 11 hidden cancer-fighting foods that Big Pharma doesn't want you to know about. So, let's dive in and reveal the powerful foods that can help your body fight cancer and improve your overall health. Meet Dr. Barbara O'Neill, a leading expert in holistic health, nutrition, and natural healing. She spent her life unlocking the secrets of how the body heals itself through food and lifestyle. Her approach is based on empowering the body's innate ability to recover and thrive, using foods that nurture and protect. Dr. O'Neill has seen incredible transformations in the lives of people who have taken control of their health. One of Dr. O'Neill's most important insights is the role of pH balance in cancer. Cancer cells thrive in an acidic environment. This is why it's essential to maintain an alkaline pH level in the body. An alkaline environment makes it much harder for cancer cells to survive and multiply, supporting healthy cells and immune function. But how do we achieve this? Let's explore the foods that can help balance your body's pH and protect you from cancer. First on Dr. O'Neill's list of cancer-fighting foods is whole grains. Grains like millet, quinoa, amaranth, spelt, brown rice, and oats are not only gluten-free but are alkaline-forming. These grains help to reduce cancer risk by supporting digestion, stabilizing blood sugar levels, and providing essential fiber. The fiber in these grains binds to harmful substances, reducing their impact and lowering the risk of cancers such as colorectal cancer. Fiber also helps maintain steady blood sugar levels, preventing the spikes that cancer cells love to feed on. So, eating whole grains like quinoa or millet is a smart, cancer-fighting choice. Next up, alkaline legumes like lima beans, soy, and lentils. These foods are packed with cancer-fighting compounds. Lima beans contain protease inhibitors, which help prevent the formation of cancer cells. Soybeans are rich in isoflavones, which mimic estrogen and can lower the risk of hormone-sensitive cancers like breast cancer. Lentils, on the other hand, are high in folate, which is essential for healthy cell division and helps prevent cancers such as colon and breast cancer. Another powerful weapon in the fight against cancer is lemons. Lemons are rich in alkaline minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium. They are a potent source of vitamin C and antioxidants, which have been shown to fight off free radicals, preventing cancer cell growth. Potassium in lemons regulates blood sugar levels, making it harder for cancer cells to thrive. Lemons also contain a powerful antioxidant called limonene, which has been shown to stop the spread of cancer cells and enhance the efficacy of traditional cancer treatments. Make sure to incorporate lemon into your daily diet for maximum benefit. Nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, and pistachios also deserve a mention. These nuts are rich in healthy fats, fiber, and protein, which help stabilize blood sugar and keep cancer cells from growing. Walnuts, in particular, contain antioxidants like gamma-tocopherol, which have been linked to a reduced risk of breast cancer. Omega-3 fatty acids, found abundantly in walnuts, have anti-inflammatory effects that help protect against cancer by reducing inflammation in the body. The next powerhouse food group is dark green leafy vegetables. Kale, spinach, collard greens, and parsley are packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and anti-cancer compounds. These vegetables support a healthy digestive system, helping to prevent conditions like colorectal cancer. They are also rich in glucosinolates, compounds that have been shown to suppress cancer cell growth. Kale, in particular, contains a flavonoid called camphorol, which is linked to a lower risk of cancer. And don't forget parsley. It contains apigenin, a compound with powerful anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Now, These foods can truly make a difference, but it's essential to consult your healthcare provider, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking medication. Always make sure these foods are safe for you to consume in the right amounts. And don't forget, if you're interested in how one simple food can have a profound effect on your health, make sure to watch my other video on eating raw onion daily and the surprising benefits it can bring to your immune system and overall health. Incorporating these cancer-fighting foods into your daily diet is a powerful step toward improving your health and preventing cancer. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more health tips, and share it with friends and family so they can benefit from this knowledge too. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care of your health, and remember, nature has given us powerful tools to heal and thrive.